Very similar frames.
Instead of hosting the second day of the SEC's battle for the baseball crown, Hoover's Met Stadium is the scene of the city's high school graduations tonight. George McClooney owns Beef O'Brady's just up the street, the closest sports-themed restaurant.
When the tournament is here, we're busy all day long, so there's rarely a break between lunch and dinner.
But the week-long tournament, which brings fans from across the Southeast, is not here. The coronavirus's sporting event cancellation impact took care of that. Here's a visual for you. Every year, all 170 of these RV spots near the stadium sells out a year in advance for the tournament. That's worth $76,000 to the city. This week, 140 of them are empty. The city is projecting an $8 to $15 million revenue loss from the pandemic for the current fiscal year.
And of course, the SEC tournament revenue is a large portion of that, and that's not revenue direct to the city only, but that's revenue to our businesses. It's a very important week for our restaurants and our hotels.
The tournament itself produced $15 million for the area's economy last year, most of that going to Hoover businesses like McClooney's Beef O'Brady's.
Well, I'm really hoping by next year everything will be back to the old normal, but I guess there are a lot of questions to be answered between now and then.
So 100,000 of Hoover's closest friends can cheer
Strikeout of the game
and spend just like they did last year. In Hoover, John Papke, WVTN 13.